Experiencing issues pairing your T-Mobile Wi-Fi mesh extenders? A common problem is proximity. Ensure your extender is within 30 feet of the main gateway during initial setup to avoid signal issues. Outdated firmware is another common culprit. Update both the gateway and extender via the T-Mobile app, version 5.2.1 or later. Interference can disrupt the Bluetooth-based discovery process, especially in dense areas. Move the extender away from electronic devices and appliances like microwaves. Try using an Ethernet cable to directly connect the extender to the gateway during initial setup. This wired connection can bypass wireless pairing issues. If pairing continues to fail, perform a factory reset on the extender. Hold the reset button for 10 seconds, then try the pairing process again. Keep an eye on the LED indicator. A flashing light usually indicates pairing mode. If these steps don't work, contact T-Mobile support. Some older units may have hardware issues covered under extended warranties. Is your T-Mobile Wi-Fi mesh system suffering from slow speeds or dropped connections even after successful pairing? The backhaul, or the connection between your mesh nodes, is likely the problem. The first step is to determine the type of backhaul in use, wireless or wired. Wired backhaul via Ethernet offers the most stable connection and can often resolve issues with wireless backhaul instability. For wireless backhaul, signal strength is critical. Aim for a signal strength of -50 dBm or better between the gateway and extenders. Reposition extenders to improve signal strength, avoiding obstructions like thick walls. Check for interference from other devices using the 5 GHz or 6 GHz bands. T-Mobile's Backhaul Optimizer feature automatically switches between wireless and wired backhaul modes. Firmware version 4.8.2 and later includes improvements for backhaul stability. If problems persist, try setting up a wired backhaul by connecting the extender to the gateway with an Ethernet cable. This often provides a significant improvement in speed and reliability. Use the T-Mobile app to run diagnostics on backhaul connectivity. This can help identify bottlenecks or signal issues. In rural areas, 5G signal variability can cause backhaul drops. Consider using wired backhaul whenever possible or contacting T-Mobile about signal boosters.